Hello friends, it's me Teddy. Today, we will be drawing Blue from Rainbow Friends. To start, let's draw 2 circles for its eyes and one of the circles. Add a smaller circle for the pupil, and in the other, draw a cross sign. To create the mouth, draw a curved line and on one end, create a reverse C shape. And on its opposite end, draw another curved line. Now, let's add a smooth T-like shape for the drip coming out of its mouth. Now, to make its head, draw a big circle around the current drawing. On top of the head, draw its crown by making a W-like shape. Moving on to its body, start by drawing a horizontal S-like shape just below its head. Extend a C curve to create one of its arms, and then add a reverse J shape for one of its legs. At the end of this leg, draw a horizontal line, and then draw a J-like shape for its other leg. Now, let's draw a diagonal C shape that extends and joins its head from below, creating the body's connection. Lastly, pay attention to the negative space between the arm and the torso to complete the drawing. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back with more. Till then, happy drawing!